Hi everybody, bore da, and congratulations and da iawn to all of you who've taken part in the Increasing Confidence scheme here at CTM UHB. Llongyfarchiadau a da iawn I rai ohonoch chi sydd wedi cymryd rhan in cynllun Codi Hyder yma in BIP CTM. Now I hope I've said that correctly. I'm also trying to learn a bit of Welsh through various means, but my pronunciation probably still needs a lot to be desired. But look, the difference you're making is already clear, and your efforts are strengthening the way we deliver bilingual care here in CTM and ensuring all our services are more inclusive and respectful for everybody, particularly those Welsh language speakers in our area. This scheme is more than just training, it's about building confidence to use Welsh in a meaningful way with your patients and colleagues alike. And it's thanks to your hard work that we're moving forward towards a more confident and compassionate future, and one that really reflects the needs of our communities. Thank you and diolch yn fawr iawn.
Shwmai pawb, Lorna dwi. I'm the Executive Director of Allied Health Professions and Health Science. I recently completed our Welsh language refresher course and really enjoyed it. I haven't had the opportunity to speak or learn much Welsh since leaving school. It was done in a really relaxed, informal environment, really supportive, and I definitely left feeling much more confident to use those phrases when I'm out and about, so I'd highly recommend it. I wanted to take a minute to personally thank everybody who's already completed our Increasing Confidence scheme, or those who are currently working their way through it. Your commitment is making a difference, thank you. We're already seeing the positive impact this work is having on our bilingual provision of care, and we know that that helps us offer a more inclusive, respectful and patient-centred service. So thank you for your dedication. You're helping to shape a much more confident, caring and bilingual future for our health board. Diolch yn fawr iawn.